Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by granting mic access and opening YouTube. This lets the app capture your voice. Once done, tap the microphone icon in the search bar and speak a concise command like "Search for acoustic guitar lessons." Speak clearly and pause briefly after the phrase so YouTube can process your input. This first step speeds recognition and narrows results, because the assistant uses those keywords to prioritize relevance. Make sure background noise is low so the system hears you accurately and returns usable video matches. Once YouTube hears your initial words, refine the query verbally to get better matches. For example, say, "Play NPR interview 2021" or "Search for baking sourdough tutorial 10 minutes." Adding a channel name or duration helps the algorithm filter irrelevant clips. On smart TVs, press the remote voice button or link your phone as a mic to achieve the same control. These detailed commands change ranking and surface the exact content you want, because YouTube weights explicit metadata, like channel. To complete the search, scan the top results and either tap a video or say "Next" to hear more options. Rephrase if the selection misses intent. After landing on a result, use filters such as upload date or duration to narrow choices further. If you need exact timestamps, ask for a topic plus time like "Show me chapter about setup." If voice search fails, test the microphone in system settings, confirm YouTube permission, and restart the app. This often resolves recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.